you noticed a difficulty in balancing the responsibility between your schoolwork and taking care of Skippy?
Well, at first it was a little hard because, I had to get up a little earlier to let him out for class, or else he would have accidents in the house. But, after about a week, I learned I just gotta, get up a little earlier, maybe not go out as late. But it's really not that much. I mean, I only have to take him out a couple times a day, feed him twice a day. And it's just, even though it is a little bit of a pain sometimes, sometimes he drives me crazy, but it's all worth it because of the benefits that he provides.
Thank you.